قراره که دستبند پلیس رو بزنیم، به مردم بگیم که کمکمون کنید یا مثلا کلید اونجاست، یه همچین حالت. دوربینم یه کوچولو کجه، من باید کج وایسا. دوربین تو باید اینجوری باشه. خلاصه که پارک امروز قراره بهتره که بریم ویدیو رو ببینیم. Hello, how are you? I'm Soli. Can you help me about some problem I have?
What?
Hello, how are you? Can you give me some help? Sorry, can you help me?
Yeah?
Sorry. Hello. Can you help me? I have a key in my pocket. Can you give it me? I have a key in my back pocket. Can you give it me? It's a small key. Yeah, thank you. You can open it for me, please.
Where?
No. Back. Here.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Can you open it for me, please? Sorry, I have a problem. Can you help me?
I will try.
Can you help me? I cannot. Just I want to open it. I can't open.
I can't.
Why? I'm legal person.
I can't. Sorry.
Okay. This is joke. Yeah, this is a joke. And camera is there.
Okay.
Are you okay with this video?
Okay.
Yeah. سلام، خوبید؟ من یه 5 دقیقه داشتم تعقیبتون می‌کردم. دیدم ایرانی دارید صحبت می‌کنید، میتونم بهتون یه اعتمادی بکنم، یه کاری برام بکنی؟ یه دونه کلید دارم. برام دستبنده رو باز کنی من برم.
دستبند دور مخفیه؟
نه.
دست در نکنه. نه، یه دور مخفی نیست که
دور مخفی برای چی داداش؟ من چجوری به بقیه بگم؟
نشون بده وسط.
چی بگم؟ انگلیسی حداقل.
همینجوری فارسی بهشون نشون بده.
داداش بی خیال 2 دقیقه باز کن بریم دیگه.
شرمنده قربونه. ایرانی زیاده اینجا.
شوخی میکنم داداش، دوربین مخفیه. بیا به خدا دوربین مخفیه. اونا دوربین اونجاست.
تابلو دیگه خیلی تو یوتیوب.
چرا پس نکردی کمکمون گنگ شی؟ اوکی حالا بذارم؟ بذار. پلیز.
No.
No, why? Please, come to me, come give it to me.
Bro, я снимаю вот in front.
Oh,
Sorry, bro, bye.
bro, it's joke, bro. I have that situation. I wanna unlock it. I have a key, but in the pocket. Sorry, but I need help. I'm not criminal. Please don't call. Can you help me, please? I need. Yes. Okay. Why?
Other people help. We can.
Why? I have key. Yeah, can you open it for me, please? Sorry. Sorry, please. Fast.
Where are you from?
I'm from Georgia.
Georgia?
Can you please it for me?
No.
Okay, wait. It's a joke. It's a prank.
Look, I love
Please open it for me.
No, that's not.
Yeah, it's camera. It's there. Yeah, it's there. You can.
Oh, okay.
Okay, please.
Okay, but where are you from?
Why you didn't help me?
Where is it? Where?
Yeah.
I have a key and I want to open it for me.
Oh.
Thank you.
Can I show?
Yeah.
Can you show me this?
I have key here. No, back.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, are you sure I can?
Yeah. Please.
Why do you have this?
No problem. Okay. No, here. It's here.
Here?
Yeah. Just turn it. Okay. Just. Oh.
Oh, sorry.
Slowly. Yeah. Slowly. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Please don't call police, okay? Thank you. This is my key. And can you open it for me, please? I can open it. Thank you. Please. Here. No. Oh. Yes, thank you. Thank you. I have a key, but just can you open it for me? I can't because it's here. Thank you. Yeah, you can put it here. Can you open it for me?
What?
This one. Put it in there and turn it. Okay. No, this way. And yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. I have a key in my
Oh,
pocket.
sorry.
I wanna.
Some man, you know. Yes, you can.
Because I wanna.
No, sorry. Better ask some man.
I have to leave, yeah?
Video.
No? Why? Oh, yeah. How you find it? Oh, hey, this is a prank, and but you're scared, yes? Okay, bye.